Hello, I'm Zach from Zach's Woodworks, and today we're going to be talking about the King Arthur's Tools Lancelot blade. There's a lot of Chinese knockoffs out there and some misinformation online, so I'd like to right some of those wrongs. So we'll be talking about the proper installation, the guard position, and the use of the tool. Now the Lancelot is made for a 4.5 to 5 inch grinder. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you how to assemble the blade. Okay, so for the assembly of the Lancelot, it comes in 3 pieces. You're going to have the bottom plate, the top plate, and the chain. Now the chain has numbers on it, and those numbers go towards the bottom plate. The raker is going to be on the left, or that hook there. So you're just going to line it up. And then you're going to get your top plate. And then when it's assembled, you'll hear it click. Okay, so this is the most important part of this video, and I cannot emphasize it enough. All angle grinders, the guard will come in a 90-degree angle. To use the Lancelot, you have to put the guard in the 45-degree angle. If you don't, or you take the guard off the blade, don't use these blades. They're meant to be used with the exposed bottom section of the teeth only. Just as a reminder, the 45-degree guard position is the only way this tool should be used. Okay, so to move the guard, some of them you can use your hands, put it to the 45-degree angle, it'll click into place. Now other angle grinders, you'll have a screw that you'll need to loosen, and then you can move the guard. Now you want it to be in line with the bottom of the grinder. And then you can tighten it and you're good to go. So for the Lancelot, you can use 1 blade or 2, and there's a universal nut. Keep in mind you'll need 2 5/8 inch center hole Lancelots for a tandem combo in North America. Most everywhere else you'll need a 14mm center hole. You cannot use the 7/8 inch center hole for a tandem combo. You'll remove twice the amount of wood and have more control with a tandem combo. So for installation, you want to take off the manufacturer's nut or the universal nut. Remove the flange. Now you can use this with 1 or in tandem. Place it on. And then tighten the nut down. Okay, so now I want to talk about some of the improper uses of this tool. There's some videos out there on the internet of the guard being in the wrong position and people using the tool wrong, which is not a good thing. You also never want to cut with the tool at a 90-degree angle. You're carving in an uncomfortable, unsafe position and putting yourself at risk of kickback. This is the proper way. As you can see, the guard prevents you from using the unsafe part of the blade. And you want a nice firm grip, but you don't want to death grip it. Nice firm grip. Though these blades can remove wood in pretty much any direction, I wanted to demonstrate some basic cuts with simple safety rules. This is the raking cut. Always pull the grinder toward you, never push. It will kick back. This is the lateral cut, also known as the sideways or left to right cut. Using the blades in tandem provides a much smoother and controlled cut. With the single blade, I've noticed it's much smoother using the back side of the blade. Although you can use the front side of the blade, it's not as smooth. This is where that firm, controlled grip comes into play. Now my favorite use and one of the most unique features is the plunge cut. This works beautifully in combination with the lateral cut. Always pull toward you or lift the grinder in an up and down motion. Don't push to make a new cut. Always pull. So there's a lot of Chinese knockoffs like these. and King Arthur's Tools has the patent, and they're the real deal. And pretty much all Chinese knockoffs, in the diagram here, the guard is in the wrong position. And also, there is no instructions. And these are the thorough King Arthur's Tools instructions. I hope this is informational and you got something out of this video, and thank you for watching.